Hi, this is Anton from Hello Clerk. In Hello Clerk we do financial apps for Atlassian Jira. In this video I want to show how to avoid double invoicing in Clerk. Sometimes by mistake we can create multiple invoices with same hours logged by our team. In this case we have double invoicing. The best way to avoid double invoicing is to create invoices with date ranges that don't overlap. But sometimes we need to break this rule. And Clerk Invoices app has a time filter for this case. When we import time from Jira or Tempo, we apply a time filter. And one of the filtering options is Uninvoiced Time. When we add this time filter, the app will exclude any worklogs that belong to existing invoices. So adding this time filter will avoid double invoicing. Very easy. Thanks for watching this video. Let me know if you will have any questions. And try our apps for free in the Atlassian marketplace.